Today we're going to look at how to backflush an espresso machine. We're going to be using the start stop button and put in about half a teaspoon of portafilter. And what we're doing by running the group for 10 seconds, we're getting that powder from the blind filter and we're pushing it through the circuit. And now at 10 seconds we push stop. It's degreasing the coffee oil. So we want to do this every day on a commercial machine. We then run the group, okay, and we run the group for 20 seconds. Now running that group is going to really flush that, and if there is portafilter coming out, simple. Just keep going until it runs clear. If it runs clear, your machine's not going to be stuck on Monday morning, or as a matter of fact, any other morning. So that was clear, that's ready to go. That's how you backflush your espresso machine.